Is your Discord screen share acting like a moody teenager, just showing you a black screen when you're trying to share the fun? Don't worry, we're diving into the quickest fixes to bring your screen share back to life in just a minute and a half. First, let's tackle the basics. Open Discord and head into user settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username. Then, click on voice and video. In the left sidebar, scroll down to the video codec section here. Disable hardware acceleration, give Discord a restart, and try sharing your screen again. If that didn't work, your graphics drivers might be the culprit. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause all sorts of screen sharing issues. Update your graphics drivers through your device settings. This is usually through your graphics card manufacturer's software once updated. Restart your computer. Still seeing black? Your operating system's permissions might be blocking Discord on Windows. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and then Screen Recording. Make sure Discord has permission to record your screen if it's already enabled. Try toggling it off and on again. A quick and easy fix that is often overlooked is running Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and select Run as administrator. This ensures Discord has all necessary permissions to access hardware and software. Hopefully, one of these solutions has banished that black screen for good. If you're still running into problems, leave a comment describing your issue, and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.